Nick, no. You stay away from the bird. Fledgling. So far you're looking okay. Still got some downy feathers. Is that your mama? Don't even think about it, cat. Yes. Yes, we'll see. Hey, scrapper doodles. Don't see any injuries, as I can tell. I'm looking a little floofed there. That could be feathers just out of whack. Oh, just chill it, that scrapper who needs to stay away from the birdie too. Yes, you need to stay away from the birdie. You need to stay away from the bird. You hush! You hush. Nikki, just chill it. Okay, time to get the birdie to a safe place. Okay, hopefully... Okay, the parents are going nuts. And it is starting to rain. But baby is right there. Hopefully I didn't shock him too much when I moved her. But it's grasping that well. Okay, sweetheart, just stay in the tree, okay? You're in a safe branch. The cats can't get to you there. No, they can't. One parent there. Oh, time to get out of the way.